Hello mga ka-DLB, dito kami sa SeaWorld.
Yes! Look! Correct! And there is one ocean. Okay. Hours 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. General admission 395. Dudong. Ang cute. Ayun guys, ang tagal namin naghintay ng ticket. Dinaga na yung printer. Tapos,
So guys, we are here now in One Ocean. So yun, medyo nagkaroon lang ng technical error about sa system nila. So hindi gumagana, parang walang internet access, pero we manage. Kaya pinalipat kami dun sa kabilang...
annual pass.
Yes, pinalipat kami dun sa kabilang queue. Kabilang system. So yan, na-meet namin si Jeff. So napakali.
Jeff ba yung name niya?
Jeff yung name niya. Hindi ko lang, I think he's from South Africa. So, parang South African yung ano niya, accent niya.
At least he made our day. Napaka-nice niya. Polar Milliary. Ito, Polar Ocean.
Currently, we are here.
Andyan tayo.
So we are going to the Polar Ocean. I think dito yan, sa
Ito.
likod. Ito. Sa likod lang nila siguro.
Kakahil ng inner child mo.
So update mga ka-DLB, dito na kami sa Polar Ocean. Polar. You know, yeah. FNP, you know, ano yan. Trademark ng mga Filipino. Yes.
Nice.
So yan guys, next update, we are here in Polar Ocean. Sa loob kami ng Polar Ocean. So as you can see guys, makikita mo yung Abu Dhabi Ocean dito, frozen threads,
Ito may blue.
micro ocean, tropical ocean, all of the ocean, we're here.
All of the ocean.
Ano lang, most of the ocean. Oh guys, bawat oceans nga pala dito is by different timing. So nakikita nyo dun sa map and schedule na ibibigay nila sa inyo. So kayo nang bahala mag-manage kung kaya nyo mapuntahan lahat ng schedule na meron sila on that day. Okay? We'll update you later guys. Peace! So guys, we are here in Rocky Point Amphitheater. So manonood kami ng show dito.
Sea Lion Show.
So far medyo konti pa lang yung tao, pero suggest sabi ni Kabayan na staff is maganda mo po sa harap para makita natin.
Artista.
Yeah, thanks everyone. Thanks.
Oh, hey! The tour group's here. Welcome everyone to Sea Lion Cabin. I'm Ranger Finley, reporting for duty. Tim, how's the water looking? Okay. Wow. Did you guys know that Californian sea lions like Captain Morty, they can reach speeds of over 20 kilometers an hour. Isn't that just outstanding? 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
No litter.
Thanks for getting us so quickly. We found it's in. That's not what I meant. Shelley, you are so funny, but that's not the favorite joke.
So what's up mga ka-DLG, dito kami sa Flamingo spot. Ayan o, nasa likod namin.
Kaya mo yun, tulong, di ba? Oh, galing. Oh.
example, they can even use tools, such as placing a sponge on their rostrum to help protect the fronts of their faces as they dive down in search of fish hidden in the rocks and sand.
That's right, Jax. These varied enrichment experiences encourage curiosity and play, which leads to creativity and learning, as you can see.
Okay, and we're gonna wave hello to them. Are you ready? Let's do it. 1, 2, 3. Oh, amazing job. Look at that, they saying hi to you. Nothing. And look up to the sky, because this is just for you. Amazing job.
Hindi ka ba? Kaya na gano'n na siya. Para may uniform naman sila, di ba? Sagot ka, naka-video. Tapos na! We're going to Manta Coaster. Ayan, Manta!
Hello. Mommy, look his color. He was coming me. Hello, hello.
Dodong. Anong amoy?
Bango.
Are you ready?
Ready?
Wala nang amoy?
Wala na.
Manta Coaster.
Manta Coaster. Yung nag-ice.
Walang walrus. Sa mga...
Hindi naman, pamusa naman.
Naiyak ka nga eh.
Sigaw kami, parang ako lang sumisigaw.
Natanggal pa daw po yung kulangan tong isa.
Sabi mo ba siyang kulangan?
Sambot mo? Sambot mo?
Hindi. Paghinga niya siguro nung malalim.
Extreme po yung Manta Coaster.
Conduct research around the globe. Second, the transponders allow us to track and monitor sea life. By keeping tabs on the patterns and behavior of animals like sharks, dugong, and whales, we can better understand and protect them.
Basta ang hyperspace.
It's okay naman.
Ang dami-daming SOP, yun lang pala. Di ba? Sinukat pa yung hype, sinukat pa yung...
Pero bagay siya guys sa ano. Medyo nag-study. May mga information about sa species sa loob.
Mga ano, dugong, walrus, ano yung isa?
Humpback whales.
Humpback.
Ano guys, may height ha. So pag hindi ka gano'ng matangkad, baka hindi ka pwede.
Pasok si
Mga
Dodo.
bata, yung mga less than 10 years old bawal.
Pasok kami. Crocs, o diba? Harap ka naman sa amin. Ano pa yung isa? Baka no, ano sila? Ayun o, suplado. Ha? Papin. Abu Dhabi Ocean. Papin. Ayan ang mga friends niya. Culture food.
Guys, kakatapos na namin kumain.
Malamig namin. Sa may sa may dolphins. Dolphins yun, diba? Ay, penguins pala. Yan, sa may penguins. Wala nang seat doon. Kaya dito kami sa Suro.
Pero masarap yung pagkain nila guys. Medyo nga lang siya, para sa amin medyo expensive yung pagkain. Pero masarap.
Tsaka may discount kapag MHMB at tsaka annual pass.
Pero masarap yung pagkain nila guys kasi siya. Ano tawag mo?
Oven bake.
Oven baked pizza.
Tsaka yung ano nga ang tawag doon?
Spaghetti. Pomodoro.
Pomodoro.
So yun. Tip, pag pupunta kayo dito, medyo i-load nyo na yung tiyan nyo ng pagkain para hindi kayo gano'ng magutom. Tapos bawal pala pagkain dito guys bawal maglaan ng pagkain. So sa entrance, tinatanggal nila yung pagkain.
Naka-free kami ng donut.
Pwede kami ng donut, so hinod yung pagkain namin.
Hindi, ganito. Naka-free kami ng donut. Nilagay ko sa bag ko. Kaso, na-confiscate sa security.
Yun lang.
Busog na po siya. Ang taas, nakakatakot. Oh. Welcome to the reef! Ano ka, zombie? Zombie ka dong? Zombading.
Guys, we are here at
Eraser? Eraser? Eraser?
yung roller coaster.
Eraser?
Sa likod.
Nasaan?
Aí depois a gente tem que falar thank you pro moço que deixou.
Eraser. Sa pambatang roller coaster siya.
Iiyak po yung isa dyan. Nasaan na sila? Ayan na guys. Oh, kinakabahan na po si Dudong actually. Racer ride.
Guys, after 30 minutes of waiting, 3 minutes na lang ako. Pero maganda siya guys, pambata, special. Guys, dito kami sa third round twist. Yan o, nakikita niyo sa likod. Guys, talo-talo na to kahit pambata, tinira na namin.
po hinayaan yung mga bata na mag-enjoy. Inagawan na po. Taas pa! Dudong! Nag-enjoy ka ba sa rides? Dito kami sa baba sa Animal Center.
And I've come all the way from the bottom of the ocean to visit you all. Oh, I'm so glad you're all here. The Sea Wonder celebrations are in full swing here on the surface, and Mr. and Mrs. Wonder are busy preparing for the most wonderful winter holiday yet. Lions too, all snuggled up tight, as animals do, for winter winds blow at this time of year. Hello, friends! Happy holidays! And what better way to celebrate than to get waters with all of you? If you'd like to get to the beach with us, please. Please to meet you.
Uwi na kami.
Pauwi na kami guys.
Hindi na namin mahintay yung closing kasi
Overall experience ito sa SeaWorld, okay. Maganda siya. Mag-enjoy ka guys. Lalo na kung may kids kayo.
try nyo yung Manta. Manta coaster. Yan. Bye-bye. Tulong. Thank you. Uwi